Kawadhi nyime ni jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen olero ni OCS manyori kochopo e romo mare Migori komer itimo ne nonro mar obuongo kendo ibiro kawne okang mowinjore tok mano. Murkomen lero ni nyalo bedo ni nitiere gima rach kod obila no, gima ne nyalo miyo wuoth safar mabor mar biro romo kod jatend migao no kosetiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Murkomen kata kamano golo siem ne apisas matiyo asasa kod yedhe mamero ji kosingo ne joma oyudi ibiro kawne gi okang mager mar chik.
Fortunate that the OCS came to the meeting yesterday drunk. I don't think that is very normal for someone to come all the way from Timaru all to the headquarters for a discussion with the Cabinet Secretary and Inspector General of Police and come drunk and sit in front. It is not normal. So it means there must be some problem with the officer, and as I've announced many times, the procedure is to first assess the mental health of the officer, to do the necessary medical tests, and then of course follow on the history of the officer. Some cases are just indiscipline. Yeah, it may not have reached a level of addiction. Where it's indiscipline, the disciplinary procedures will take place. The assessment is currently ongoing. The officer was taken for tests in the hospital, and if it's a mental health problem, it will be handled also as a mental health challenge. Of course, that requires some level of reorganization to ensure that the officer cannot, to get another officer to do the commanding work, and maybe redeployment of that officer after rehabilitation.